How to fix Roblox account is already linked to another account. For this, you just need to go to roblox.com. Then here in the search tab, you will find roblox.com/home. You need to delete home from the URL and type support. Then you will be redirected to the Roblox support page. From here, you will find a contact us form. Here, the username is already added according to your account, according to your username. This is my username. Then you just need to type your first name, then email address, your active email address or the email address that are registered with your account, then confirm your email address, then issue details, tell Roblox about your issue, and here you need to select what device are you have the problem on. For me it's PC. Then you just need to select here data privacy request as type of help category. Then click here, and from this drop down box you just need to select right to be forgotten and right of access. Then you need to describe the issue that you are facing. You can say that hello, and then tell the issue in details, that your account is already linked to an account and you want to know the linked account details, and or you want to unlink the account or something, you want to get rid of this issue. You just need to request them for their help to fix this issue for you. As you can see, I have write a short description of issue to explain my problem that I have facing in Roblox to accessing accounts. And after completing this description, just simply click on continue, and the Roblox support team will contact you through your email as soon as possible. If needed, then verify your identity to the team and also give the information that are required to complete this process. You just need to verify that this account belongs to you, and Roblox support team may help you out from this problem. So don't forget to check your email for the reply from Roblox support team. That's the only way you can get the information about the linked account, or you can get the access of your account, or you can unlink the another account that are linked to your account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.